What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Matt Trades here, coming to you again with another video. And today I'm going to be telling you guys what kept me trading. What were the reasons on why I kept trading? Okay, the first reason why I kept trading was because once I seen that blue on my screen, even I think the most that it was like that I first seen starting trading was like $1. And I was like, oh, well, if I close out this trade with $1, you know, I gotta keep that. Just imagine when that dollar says $100 and then that $100 says $500 and 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 50,000, you know, it just goes on from there. So I always knew that the possibilities of this was endless, you know. And a thing I like to tell people is, don't think about trading as your only income, you know? That's what I thought of. I just thought about, you know, if I had an extra, at the time, $400 at the end of the month trading, you know, that can pay for electricity, that can be put towards, some of it towards your rent or your car note or your insurance, you know? Think of trading in aspects of like that. And that's why I kept trading, because I was like, you know, this is an extra income, like an extra income to keep trading. Why wouldn't I want to do that? Getting into this space, and as you grow and as you make more money trading, you really change your perspective on how you think of money. When you think of money in terms of per hour, how much you get paid, like $16 an hour working for 8 hours a day, it's normal. But it's like outrageous when you think of how much in the market you can make. So that is another reason that kept me trading, especially when I had like, I think my first $300 day. I was like, yo, what the heck? I don't even make this going to my regular job. And I just made that in like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, because, you know, I'd be scalping. So I just made that in a short amount of time, in less than an hour. And I got a slave 8 hours a day for like $100 and some a day, not even 200. Like, that's crazy to me. So that's another reason that kept me trading, is the time and the value for money. The time and the money for like the value. I was like, no, I can't do it. I gotta stick to this trading. I gotta make it work. And that was a main thing, because like with me and my time is valuable, and time is something that you do not get back. It was a no-brainer to keep at this. And then when I think about how much money I invested in at the beginning, whether that was buying courses from people or reading up on knowledge, like when you focus on this craft, like you're not gonna just want that to just go to waste. You're gonna want to keep at it. Like, if you don't just quit, and me personally, I don't just quit as something that I start. So like, I've been trading for 2.5 years now, and so like that first year was nothing but learning the ropes, and then after that it was go time, you know. Like, you're gonna have those days where you don't feel like getting on the charts. You done lost your last $100 last month, or whatever the case may be. You lost your last $100 and you don't feel like getting on the charts. You're gonna have days like that in the beginning. But when you think about the end game goal, I knew that, okay, if I really dig deep, if I really study, if I really figure out how this market moves, what moves to actually get into, what moves to stay away from, I'm gonna be good. And at the same time, it doesn't have to be my only source of income. Like, yeah, some people make this their only source of income, but if you want to make it easier on yourself, don't have it be your only source of income. You can make fun money from this device right here. Where else can you do that from? Like, so I had to put in the work. Like, it's simple. Like, why I kept trading was because I don't want to be working a 9 to 5 forever. I didn't want that. So it was a no-brainer to just keep going at it and doing it. I see And once I seen the success that other people have had trading, I wanted that lifestyle too. I don't have a Lamborghini yet, but one day I want a Lamborghini. I don't have a Rolls Royce Cullinan yet, but one day I want a Rolls Royce Cullinan. I don't have a drop top yet or whatever convertible. One day I want that, you know? So, hey, I'm gonna keep going at trading. Like, I don't have those big cars, $200,000 cars yet. Like, and I'm still going at it. I'm still saving, stacking money from trading this, that, and the third. So, the grind never stops. And one day, y'all gonna see me on this channel, you know, hopefully one day, posting that Rolls Royce color, posting that Lamborghini, you know? That's why I keep at this trading stuff, you know? Stack, save, and keep reinvesting the money. Because one day I'm gonna have those things. But, I mean, those are my little small reasons for why I kept trading, because the possibilities are endless. And hopefully, if you stumble across this channel, you know, hopefully that we can all be on this journey together. Everybody just build a community and really help each other out. But yeah, those are my reasons for why I kept trading. I'm in love with the blue. I'm in love seeing blue on the screen. Every time I trade, I want to see blue on the screen. Doesn't happen all the time, but you know, that is the video. It's your boy, man. Peace.